Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today we're making fluffy pancakes that are quick and easy. Gather your ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Next, you'll need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, and 1 large egg for the batter. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of melted butter to add richness to your pancakes. In a bowl, combine the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, and melted butter until well blended. Now, pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture and stir gently until just combined. Make sure not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for fluffy pancakes. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease it with butter. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip to cook the other side until golden brown. Repeat this process until all the batter is used, creating a stack of fluffy pancakes. Serve your pancakes warm with your favorite toppings like syrup, fruit, or whipped cream. Enjoy the delightful taste and fluffy texture of these homemade pancakes. This recipe is perfect for breakfast or a sweet treat any time of the day. Feel free to experiment with flavors by adding vanilla or chocolate chips to the batter. Share your pancake creations with friends and family for a delightful meal together. Thanks for joining us. Happy cooking and enjoy your fluffy pancakes.